from tomato fights to monkey feasts. Join us as we explore bizarre traditions that will leave you speechless. In Spain, the streets turn into a sea of red, and a tomato fight breaks out. Welcome to La Tomatina, a town in Spain where every August the streets come alive with the vibrant splatters of ripe tomatoes. What started as a small-scale food fight among friends has evolved into a full-blown tomato fiesta, attracting thousands of people from all over the world. The town square transforms into a battleground, and participants hurl tomatoes at each other in a joyous display of camaraderie and good cheer. But don't worry, these tomatoes aren't just any ordinary produce. They're specifically grown for the event and are completely free of charge. It's a celebration that truly embodies the Spanish spirit of passion, playfulness, and a dash of healthy competition. So if you find yourself in Bugle, Spain during the first Wednesday of August, grab a tomato. Join the fun and experience the ultimate tomato extravaganza. Across the globe in Denmark, there's a different kind of celebration when it comes to love and relationships. For Singadanes turning 25, they have a unique way of celebrating this milestone birthday, known as the cinnamon quarter. This tradition involves covering the birthday person head to toe in cinnamon powder. But why cinnamon? Well, it symbolizes warmth, affection, and sweetness, all qualities that are often associated with romantic relationships. This quirky custom is believed to bring good luck in love and help the 25-year-old find their special someone. So if you're a single Dane or no one, make sure to have plenty of cinnamon on hand for their 25th birthday. Who knows? It might just be the luck they need to find their perfect match. Now let us take a journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the Satere Ma tribe has a fascinating tradition that tests their bravery. You might have heard about bullet ants before, known for their extremely painful sting. But for the Satere Ma men, these ants are part of an initiation ritual that signifies their transition into adulthood. Wearing gloves filled with bullet ants is no easy feat, as the ants are notorious for their aggressive nature and their ability to cause excruciating pain. The burning sensation from their sting is said to be unbearable and can even result in temporary paralysis. But the Satermao has seen this pain as a necessary part of their cultural heritage, a way to prove their courage and connection to their ancestors. This extraordinary tradition is a testament to the resilience and fortitude of the Saterma tribe, showing that they are truly fearless when it comes to facing pain and adversity. Our next stop takes us to South Korea, where an unusual tradition is practiced before marriage. In some Korean families, groomsmen have their feet beaten with fish prior to their wedding day. But why fish? It may seem strange, but this custom has a deeper meaning. The fish used are typically freshwater fish, such as carp, which symbolize abundance and prosperity in Korean culture. By beating the groom's feet with these fish, it is believed to toughen them up and prepare them for the challenges of married life. It is also seen as a playful and humorous way to celebrate the upcoming wedding and show the groom that he can rely on his family for support. While this tradition may not be for everyone, it's a fascinating glimpse into the unique customs and beliefs of Korean culture. In Japan, slurping noodles is considered a sign of appreciation and respect. When Japanese people eat noodles, especially ramen, they often slurp loudly, and this is not seen as rude, but rather as a way to show their appreciation for the chef's hard work. Slurping is believed to enhance the flavor of the noodles, and also helps to create a strong connection between the eater and the food. It is a way of fully experiencing the taste and texture of the noodles and celebrating the culinary art form that is Japanese ramen. So the next time you enjoy a bowl of ramen in Japan, don't be afraid to slurp your noodles and show your respect for the chef. Meanwhile, in Mongolia, a refusal of milk tea can be seen as a sign of disrespect. Milk tea is an important part of Mongolian culture and is often served to guests as a symbol of hospitality. Refusing to drink milk tea is seen as a rejection of this hospitality and could be considered rude. Therefore, even if you don't particularly like milk tea, it is important to at least try some and appreciate the gesture of those who have offered it to you. After all, it's a way to show respect for their customs and traditions. And who knows, you might just discover a new favorite drink along the way. Now let us travel to Sweden, where a giant straw goat holds an important place in their Christmas celebrations. The Google goat is a massive straw structure built in the town of Google every year as a symbol of the holiday season. But this goat isn't just a decorative item. It's actually a target for those looking to cause mischief. Many people try to sneak into the goat and set it on fire, which has led to increased security measures being put in place to protect it. Despite the attempts to keep it safe, the gavel goat has been burned down several times, making it a controversial and infamous part of Swedish Christmas tradition. Whether you see it as a festive symbol or a potential hazard, there's no denying that the gavel goat is a unique and intriguing part of Swedish culture. Next, we venture into the jungles of Thailand, where a peculiar tradition is carried out. Every year in Lopburi, Thailand, the locals throw an extravagant feast for the monkeys that live in the area. The Monkey Buffet Festival is a celebration of the important role that monkeys play in Thai culture and religion. During the festival, the monkeys are treated to a wide variety of delicious fruits, vegetables, and sweets. It is a joyous occasion for the monkeys who feast like kings, and for the locals who get to show their appreciation for these furry friends. The Monkey Buffet Festival is a true testament to the unique bond between humans and animals, and a reminder of the importance of respecting and preserving nature. In India, the Holi festival is a vibrant celebration of color, joy, and the arrival of spring. The main attraction of this festival is the throwing of colored powder, which symbolizes the triumph of good over evil and the victory of love over hate. During Holi, people of all ages gather in the streets, dance, sing, and shower each other with brightly colored powder. It's a joyful and inclusive celebration that brings communities together and creates lasting memories. The colors used in Holi have special significance. The most popular color, yellow, represents happiness and prosperity, while green symbolizes nature and Islam. Blue signifies freedom and the sky, and red represents courage, energy, and love. Each color adds to the vibrancy of the festival and allows participants to express themselves in a fun and festive way. Our final stop takes us to Scotland, where an unusual pre-wedding tradition is observed. In some Scottish communities, a bride-to-be is covered in rotten food and trash as part of a ritual known as Lavenny Banshee. This strange custom is meant to toughen the bride up for the challenges of married life, and also serves as a humorous way to celebrate her upcoming new. The bride is typically covered in messy and smelly substances, like rotten eggs and fish, and then paraded through the streets with her friends and family. While this tradition may seem off-putting to some, it's an important part of Scottish folklore and a cherished part of the local culture. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of bizarre traditions from around the world. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to follow for more amazing facts, and join us on our journey to explore the wonders of our planet.